classified, trying to get my rig and me to Frisco alive. Fog lights up tight are giving me the creeps, just a Winnemucca trucker with a load of black sheep. I got a belly full of jelly and a head full of pain. Benny spinning spider webs are messing my brain, and trying to get myself together with a shot of Black Sea. What I really ought to get me is an hour of Z. Mammy got a spell on my life. Kansas City kitty cut my heart out tonight. I lost a C note in Reno off of Keno and craps, and now Smokey's on the overpass, a setting his traps. White lines, a laser burning hole